Hello Barca fans, welcome back to another construction update from Camp Nou. Today we're taking a full look around the stadium to track the latest structural progress, material deliveries, and installation work happening across multiple areas. Let's break down everything that has moved forward. In the Tribune section, the first concrete panels for the elevator shaft structures have arrived on site. The structural frames were already significantly advanced, and these panels are expected to be installed onto the prepared frameworks. Workers remain active on the upper levels using lifting platforms and inside the structures, applying finishing materials to the beams. On the store-side diamond, glass installation is about to resume. Suction equipment and panels are staged on site, with 2 corner panels and 3 above the entrance still to be installed. A lifting platform is in position, and workers are preparing the corner framing, including a slightly curved metal connector for the joint. The third tier continues progressing steadily. A new prefabricated seating section is being lifted into position, with visible advancement across the upper stands. While full completion has not yet been reached, installation is moving at a consistent pace toward fully populating the third tier with prefabricated seating modules. In the Gol Sur section, a concrete pump is positioned near the VIP floor area, indicating ongoing or imminent concrete pouring operations. The elevator shaft structures here appear structurally advanced, with scaffolding removed in several areas. These sections are approaching readiness for the installation of lower concrete panels, followed by sandwich panels. However, support brackets for the facade slats remain uninstalled in this zone. Significant progress is visible in the installation of sandwich panels along the south lateral structure. The panels are nearly completing the structural frame, with only small upper sections remaining. Metal sheet cladding is expected to follow before the installation of slat support brackets begins. In some areas, workers are tightening anchor points in preparation for future facade elements. The southeast corner sector has reached full completion in its current slat section, excluding the standard separation gaps between sectors. Installation of lower slats forming the false ceiling is ongoing, with cranes actively positioning additional slats. Multiple slats are staged on site, and continuous crane operations indicate that this section is progressing toward full facade completion. Before we move on, if you're enjoying the video, make sure to like and subscribe. It really helps us and keeps you updated with all the latest update. Now let's continue over to the lateral side construction. In the upper lateral section, 2 additional temporary support towers have been installed, signaling upcoming work on radial beams for the compression ring. A 5th compression ring pillar has arrived on site and is prepared for lifting. While the corresponding radial beam has not yet been delivered, its installation space has been reserved. Additional compression ring pillars are also staged near the corner, indicating further structural assembly in the coming days. Along the lateral facade, sandwich panels continue advancing across the elevator shaft structures. Lower concrete panels are already installed in several sections, including openings designated for elevator doors. Workers are actively adjusting scaffolding and preparing for further panel placements. More sandwich panels are stored behind safety barriers, ready for installation. In the Gol Nord corner, new emergency-style doors have been installed. Additionally, a large quantity of metal tubing has been delivered and staged on pallets. These tubes are likely intended for utility systems running beneath the alveolar slabs. Installation work is ongoing in multiple stadium sectors. The central block wall in Gol Nord is undergoing final painting, with workers completing black finishing coats. Nearby lifting platforms indicate continued work around bracket anchors and beam connections. However, insulation materials above the glass sections have not yet been installed in this central area. In the Tribune side corner, a 4th level of utility tubing has now been installed. Hydraulic hammer work is underway behind the black beam structure, indicating structural preparation or adjustment. Prefabricated seating elements and stored glass panels remain staged in this zone, awaiting installation. Across multiple sections of the stadium, visible workforce presence and machinery movement indicate active progress. Concrete pumping, facade slat placement, sandwich panel installation, compression ring assembly, and utility system expansion are all advancing simultaneously, reflecting coordinated development throughout the construction site of Camp Nou. That wraps up today's construction update. If you want regular updates on the transformation of Camp Nou, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for the next progress report.